Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in tagged account. Tagged is famous application used by people to meet with new people, dates and connect friends. To log in tagged account, first open your tagged application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see the sign up page. If you haven't created your account, you can tap on continue with Google or other options so that you can create your account. If you are already a member, tap on login option. With this, now here you need to enter the email address that you have used to create your account. Then enter the correct password of your account on the given box. With this, if you want your password to be stored, then you can tap on show password box. If you don't remember your password, then you can tap on forgot password option. Similarly, here you can see you can sign in using your Google account, your Facebook account or your Apple ID. After entering your credentials, tap on login option. With this, now here you can see you will be able to log into your account. Now you can tap on three lines on the top left and see that your account has been logged in. This is how we can log in tagged account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.